Okay, ladies, welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. Today I have a very fun video. I'm feeling rather special, rather bougie today because we have an unboxing. We are unboxing a luxury bag. So when Teddy Blake reached out to me, I was honored because I thought, yes, I can add to my luxury bag collection. Not that I have a lot, but I definitely respect and appreciate the detail that goes into luxury bags. I'm one of those people that would rather have a limited amount of quality products instead of a ton of things that are just going to fall apart in a year or two. So I like to spend money on quality items, but I'm not going to spend $5,000-$10,000 on a bag. I'm just not going to do that. I have responsibilities like, children who go to college. If I had $10,000, let's see. That is braces for 2 children. Now, my children don't need braces right now because we've already spent $10,000 on 2 kids. We've spent more than that, but I'm just trying to illustrate to you that $10,000 in North Carolina can get you braces for 2 children. $10,000 in North Carolina could get me a piece of land. $10,000 could get me my tummy tuck and maybe a little bit of lipo. Point is, I am not spending $10,000 on a bag, but I want a nice bag. So as your friend, I am going to be sharing this unboxing with you and letting you know about Teddy Blake, the company based in New York that makes all their bags in Italy. So they use premium Italian leather to make their bags, and their bags are at the same quality as all those luxurious bags out there that cost $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. So I am looking forward to sharing the bag with you here today, unboxing my beautiful new friend, and also getting dressed up to show you how to style the bag or how I would wear the bag. So get ready for a cute little video. Okay, we finally have the box open, and we have this beautiful box, Teddy Blake, New York. All right, let's get her out. As you can see, it's a fairly large box. White and black, nice box. It's got an arrow to direct you to lift the lid. And it opens up really easily. There is some tissue paper. On the inside, it says designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Okay, let's take off the tissue paper. And voila, our bag is well wrapped. So it is wrapped in plastic and also bubble wrap. What's neat is the box actually compresses flat. So if you want to, you can store the box flat easily, maybe in your closet somewhere. It's a really nice box. So when I went on the Teddy Blake website, I was really excited because there were so many different choices, so many different styles. I mean, there's a style for everyone. There are different colors, different texture leather. I couldn't pick, but I decided to pick something I thought looked classic and versatile. But yeah, the construction is just amazing. I'm really impressed with the quality that I received. Just look at how many different choices you can get. Backpacks, handbags, large bags, small bags. They had so many different choices. Ta-da! And here is my Ava Gold 11-inch in camel brown. So they do have bags that are larger and they have bags that are smaller than this. And I don't read Italian. The label's in Italian. Maybe someone can read it and leave what it says below. But isn't she adorable? I am obsessed. I just love the shape. I love the details. I love the texture of the leather. Oh, and I didn't say, as soon as I took up the bubble wrap, the smell of real leather was just absolutely divine. So this is the back of the bag, and you can see the gold lettering stamped onto the leather and also etched into the metal hardware. So the bag opens up easily, and I absolutely love the magnetic closure. You don't actually have to use the tabs if you don't want to on the side. It also comes with a long shoulder strap. And as you can see, the bag is actually quite roomy. The inside is a very soft suede. As you can see, there are 2 additional compartments on the inside, and this one has a zipper. There's a lot of room in there. And this is the second compartment. It comes with a long shoulder strap, which is adjustable. And by the way, make sure you use my affiliate link. You save some money and I make a little bit of commission. So it also has the adorable gold padlock and a set of keys to go with it, as you find in many luxury bags. So it's so cute, even though honestly I actually prefer to keep that padlock and keys on the inside. So the adjustable strap is easy to use, and because I'm a, let's say, curvy girl, I did lengthen the straps before attaching them to the bag. So it went on really easily, as you can see. And oh, I love this little padlock. You can see inscribed on it, it says Teddy Blake. So it wraps around the bag handle very easily, and there is a slot there to push the padlock through. And there you go. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? The underside of the bag has 4 little feet, as you can see. This bag is definitely a work of art, and the construction is really high quality. It's just absolutely beautiful. As you can see, that strap in the front runs along the side of the bag, which allows you to cinch the bag tighter if you want. And let's not forget the beautiful dust bag where you can store the bag. Okay, so let's get ready to style or wear this bag. I was too happy to wear it. All right, we're calling this look the working girl. The professional working girl. I love how the neutral color of this bag goes really well with the black and white. Very clean, very simple, and very elegant. Here I'm wearing it with a brownish eggplant kind of colored jacket. I thought the brown from the bag kind of picks up in the jacket. A little conservative. I don't usually wear a suit often unless I really have something super professional to go to. I'm usually more of a dress kind of girl. So this is like one of my favorite looks, a nice little flirty dress. And it's actually like a snake print dress, but the browns in it kind of pick up with the bag. So I was loving this, as you can see. I don't have to tell you that I was having some fun. All right, let's go with simple black. I love how the bag pops with the, or against the black, and I'm wearing this crossbody. So you can wear it crossbody in the front or crossbody in the back like I'm doing here. Super cute, feeling sharp. Yes, honey. I absolutely love this bag. You can also wear it on your shoulder like I just showed you, or in your hand like this. And you might not need the strap if you're gonna wear it in your hands. Very ladylike. So this is definitely a very classic shape that has been around for years. I can remember my great-grandmother having purses this shape.
So again on the shoulder. And then I was kind of curious, can this bag fit over a coat? Well, apparently it does. May not go with this coat in particular, but it does work. All right, now can she be worn with casual clothes? Because I feel like this purse is a little bit more semi-formal or, business-like, but it actually does work with a t-shirt, so not bad. But I definitely prefer it with a dress. So this is my I'm going to a tea party look, or a garden party, or out with the girls. This is definitely my favorite look, and this is more in my comfort zone. I love long maxi dresses, semi-formal maxi dresses, and this purse is just absolutely beautiful and just works really well with this dress. So it's worth repeating that this is a luxury bag, luxury or designer bag, at a fraction of the cost of what you would find other brands. Definitely worth the money. So, did you like how I wore it? How would you wear it differently? All right, so does this bag hold a lot or enough? Is it functional and beautiful? Let's see what's in my bag. I literally placed the contents of my working bag into this bag. It has my cell phone. It has my lip gloss that I got during Christmas time. This is the hot chocolate flavored one. Everything I do centers around food. It has my hand lotion. It's got my pill holder, so I always like to keep an emergency supply of my blood pressure medication. And that is pepper spray. I've had that for years. Do not mess with me. I also have some perfume. This is Jo Malone, English brand, because every woman should smell nice. So that fits in there too, and some tissue. Just a little hand tissue. And a pen. I got this pen from voting last year. So I'm definitely keeping it. A comb. Let's see what else. Some hand sanitizer. Okay, a small makeup pouch, just for those sort of little emergency backups. So this is my MAC Ruby Woo. And I have another lipstick in there as well. And a brush. Okay, I also have my large wallet. I've had this wallet a couple of years. I carry like everything in there. I've got a ton of, old licenses from the different states that I've lived. Every state I've been issued a new driver's license. Every ID from medical doctor work. And don't you carry a picture frame of your family in your bag too? Of course, I'm only joking. I don't usually have that in my bag. But I also have a shower cap because, girl, you don't know when rain's going to catch you and mess up your hair. And I also have a pair of gloves. So I think that's it, right? Yep. And I didn't even fill the side compartments. So this bag truly is beautiful and also functional. And I'm really glad that I got this size, because at first I was like, well, maybe it's too small. Maybe I should go with a big one. But I think the smallest size for me looks more ladylike.
So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you found it entertaining but also informative. Definitely check out the Teddy Blake website. I will leave it in the description box below, and also their Instagram page. Definitely check it out. I will also leave that in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you go on their website and you don't see something that you like, check back next month because they release new products or new bags every month. So chances are you're gonna see something you like. And remember, this is a luxury bag, premium Italian leather. And they are a company in New York, trusted company in New York. They make beautiful bags, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy one of their bags soon. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. Me and my little friends are gonna go have some fun. Bye.